Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. So, intrigue. 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 Let's try and get a picture. It's like this. Intrigue. To get people thinking about something or spark their curiosity. Like, what is this? Intriguing. So, I am intrigued with this new discovery. He is intrigued with the tools. Yeah, it is an intriguing story. Like, wow. He was intrigued by me. She is always intrigued by new songs. Wow. Whoa. Thinking. They are always they're always intrigued by my ideas. They like my ideas. They always think about them. Intrigue. Yeah. The cat is intrigued by the thing. The cat is intrigued by the noise. The noise. Yeah. He has a lot of intrigue. He's very interesting, and they want to find out more about him. They want to find out more about him because they are very intrigued by him. Yes. We were intrigued by your findings. These results are intriguing. Intriguing. Yeah, how did you get these numbers? These results are intriguing. How did this happen? What happened? My intrigue is always growing. My curiosity is always expanding. Yeah, I am intrigued by a lot of things and always learning. My curiosity knows no limit. I'm always looking for new ways to be creative and new ideas that I can use. Yes, new ideas and techniques, technology and beyond. How cool is that? How can it be more intriguing for visitors? How can we make it more interesting for people? I think it is intriguing, but not everybody does. Not everybody else does. I think it's intriguing, but not everybody else. They think it's boring. They think it's boring. I don't. How cool is that? Yeah. So intrigue. Wanting to learn about something, thinking about it and sparking your curiosity. Intrigue. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use intrigue in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.